Hi, welcome to today's tutorial on solving systems of equations using substitution. Let's start with our first problem set. Well, let's actually start by describing what a system of equations is. Two or more linear equations form a system of equations. For these purposes, we will be using two linear equations to solve for a system. Their solution will be the point which solves both the first and second linear equation. When I look at this first problem here, I notice that I know already what y is equal to, and y is equal to 2x. I will use that information in my second equation to solve. Therefore, I will use 7x minus, instead of using y, I'm going to substitute 2x. Leave that equal to 15. When I combine like terms, I find out that 5x equals 15 and x is equal to 3. I now need to find out what y is, so I will replace 3 for x in my original equation. Y equals 2 times 3, and therefore y equals 6. The solution to this system is 3, 6. However, we know that all good students would check their work, and therefore I will check my solution in my second equation. 7 times 3 minus 6. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 minus 6 equals 15. Since that's what I was trying to get to, I will leave that as my solution. Therefore, 3, 6 is my solution. Let's look at this next set. It is not set up nearly as nice as the first set. Therefore, I'm going to pick one of these two equations to isolate one of my variables and solve. My second equation has a nice looking y in it that I can use. I'll add 6x to both sides, and this equation becomes y equals 6x minus 7. I can now use that information in my first equation to solve. 3 times 6x minus 7 plus 2x is equal to 4. I combine like terms to get 18x minus 21 plus 2x equals 4. 20x minus 21 equals 4, and 20x is equal to 25. I know that x is equal to 25 twentieths, which reduces to 5 fourths, or 1 1/4. I need to then plug that into my equation and solve. Y is equal to 6 times 5 fourths minus 7. 6 times 5 fourths is 30 fourths, or 15 halves, which is equal to 7 1/2. 7 1/2 minus 7 is equal to 1/2. Therefore, y equals 1/2. My final solution is 1 1/4, 1/2. Again, a great student would plug that back into our first equation, since we haven't checked it in that equation yet, to prove that that is true. That is today's tutorial on solving systems of equations using substitution.